And this is the City di Mari, San Remo. San Remo City di Mari. This is the development of one oasis. And that's the Philly Hotel and the New Star, the mall, and the casino. It's very near, it's very walking distance from here, from the San Remo. And that's our showroom before. And let's go to the highway. And this is the highway. And that's the El Corso. The front of the City di Mari is the mall, the El Corso Mall. And let's go here sa highway. San Remo. City di Mari, Maldi. Let's go here. Amalfi. Amalfi. This is the Amalfi. Let's go to the San Remo. We can see the mountain from far. Amalfi. And that's the ongoing construction. Let's go to the San Remo. The San Remo was one oasis. San Remo. Those are the buildings of the San Remo. San Remo. Let's go inside. Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and I'm going to show you the model unit of the One Oasis San Remo, the 2-bedroom model unit. And this is the hallway, and we are right now at the building 1 of the development. Let's go inside. And as we enter, this is the unit. We have the first bedroom, the second bedroom, the CR, the dining area, and the living area, and you have the kitchen. Let's try to go to your bedroom. This is your bedroom. Bedroom 1, and your living area, your dining. And let's go to the second bedroom. This is the bedroom 2. Bedroom 2. And you have a closet here. And let's go to your CR. Kitchen, living, and this is your CR. Shower, and your CR. So I really want to say, with this in this video, I want to thank you to all of my subscribers, to all the people who always view my videos, and to all who likes, share, comments this video. Thank you so much, and I am so glad and I am so happy to tell you that we are growing in this channel. It's because of you, it's because of your support. Thank you so much. Hopefully you will enjoy the videos that I am uploading, and I am open for your suggestions to make this channel more exciting. And we are looking forward in making this channel more grow. We are targeting like more subscribers and more views, and let's connect in the comment section. I will message you, I will reply to your message, and thank you so much. I am so thankful and grateful that you are with me in this channel. Thank you so much. This has been me again, Mark, and this is the 2 bedrooms here in San Remo One Oasis SRP. You know the good thing with this condo, because it's very near to the SMC side, and also near to the El Corso Mall and the Philly Hotel and the New Star Mall, which is the most luxurious casino mall in Cebu. And SMC side also is the biggest mall in the whole Visayas. And I think SRP is growing because many developers is coming in, like the Ayala and SM. They have projects, the consortium, and soon it will be operating. Thank you, bye bye, and God bless you all. Once again, that's the hallway of the building 1. That's the hallway, and this is the model unit of the 2 bedrooms here in Amalfi. Not Amalfi, San Remo One Oasis. Let's take that, and that's your kitchen, and that's your CR. Kitchen, and the first bedroom, and your second bedroom. This is the residential buildings of One Oasis San Remo, and this is the basketball court. Let's go. We will try to check the swimming pool, and that's the fitness gym and the clubhouse. That's also the residential building. So we have two phases here in One Oasis. The other one is in the Amalfi. That's the gym. Let's go to the clubhouse. Let's go into the swimming pool. We'll see that even if we go in the clubhouse. The gym and the clubhouse is here. Clubhouse. Let's go up. And this is the second floor of the clubhouse. Those are the kids play area there below, and that's the gym. We have gym there, and let's try to check the swimming pool. This is the clubhouse. So the clubhouse and the amenity area of the One Oasis Amalfi is also different. So this is for One Oasis Sanremo, and that's the pool area. People and swimming, so we don't get them. And those are the residential buildings. That's the pool. We have that beautiful water features below. We have that beautiful garden, beautiful flower. Let's go down. Let's try to check the other side of the pool. That's the other side of the pool. And that's the gym. One Oasis. And that's the Sanremo. I will drive going to the highway so that you can see from the Sanremo going to the El Corso Mall. That was the Sanremo, and that is the One Oasis Amalfi. So they also have their own amenities there. That one Amalfi, and Sanremo also has their own amenities. I will show you the Amalfi. That's the One Oasis Amalfi. That one. So the amenities of that residential township is in the center. And that's the El Corso Mall. El Corso Mall. So it's beachfront mall, also developed by the Philinvest, the same developer of that One Oasis. And this is the SRPA Road. Thank you.